Hello my friends, welcome to Code Guy channel. Today we will solve the lab Debug and ISBN Validator. The goal is identify and fix all the existing bugs until every test passes. ISBN code, it is 10 or 13 digits separated by comma. It shouldn't contain any hyphens though. When user run the program, it is giving response, enter ISBN and length. User should enter code and length in particular format. It runs, checking and giving us response if it is correct or not. There is two functions, calculate checks digits 10 and calculate checks digits 13. They are taking care of all the calculations and return us answer as a string. ISBN 10 code can contain numbers from 0 to 9 and also uppercase letter X. ISBN 13 code can contain numbers from 0 to 9. First of all, we need to fix indentation error. If you look in the console, you see the error message. We need to go back to the line 61. Press the tabulation button on the line 62 to put a validate ISBN function inside the if block and print function inside the else block. To make everything working correctly, you also need to go to the tests and see the first tests. You need to coming out the main function call. This is how you can pass tests 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. User story 3. When user does not enter the comma-separated value, they should see the message enter comma-separated values in the console and the program should terminate. On the line 58, you can see values equals user input split by comma. It is a place where we're supposed to add try except block. After user input variable, add try block. In the body of the try block, put variables values, ISBN and length. The original code assumes there is always a comma, so trying to split the input can cause an index error. After try body block, add except index error, print enter comma separated values and put return. It will terminate the program if we have an index error. We passed test number 6. In the same place of the program, we need to add another except block with a value error. Here we'll catch all the non-numeric values for our length. Print length must be a number and terminate the program. Test 7 is done. To move forward, we need to come back to the beginning to the function validate ISBN. It took a while to figure out what is invalid character, and finally I understood that it is a hyphen. On the line 7, right before main digits list variable, make a space for try block. It is an exact place where we are iterating through our digits, and if we found not a digit one, we need to erase value error. Invalid character was found. Move main digits list inside the try block, accept value error, print invalid character was found, return. We cannot pass the test 8 yet because the function itself has bugs. Length function on the line 2 should accept only one parameter, ISBN. The program needs to separate the check digit from the rest of the digits, so we need to slice the string correctly using ISBN semicolon length -1. Also fix the line 6 as well. As you can see, we fixed everything. The only reason why I don't have this fancy schmancy pop-up because I did it long time ago, I just forgot to record the video. All the source code will be in my GitHub repository. Hopefully this video was helpful for you and you found the answers that you were looking for. Like, subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.